ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. KWAയിലെ LD ക്ലർക്ക്, കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ പ്രോഗ്രാമർ കം ഓപ്പറേറ്റർ, ടൈം കീപ്പർ, സെക്യൂരിറ്റി ഓഫീസർ തസ്തികയുടെ ഡീറ്റെയിൽ ആയിട്ടുള്ള സിലബസ് ആണ് ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഡിസ്ട്രിബ്യൂഷൻ ഓഫ് മാർക്സ് ആൻഡ് ഡീറ്റെയിൽഡ് സിലബസ്. ജനറൽ നോളജ് 5 മാർക്കിന്റെ ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ. ഹിസ്റ്ററി 5 മാർക്ക്, ജിയോഗ്രഫി 5 മാർക്ക്, എക്കണോമിക്സ് 5 മാർക്ക്, ഇന്ത്യൻ കോൺസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഷൻ 5 മാർക്ക്, കേരള ഗവേണൻസ് ആൻഡ് സിസ്റ്റംസ് ഓഫ് അഡ്മിനിസ്ട്രേഷൻ 10 മാർക്ക്, ലൈഫ് സയൻസ് ആൻഡ് പബ്ലിക് ഹെൽത്ത് 6 മാർക്ക്, ഫിസിക്സ് 3 മാർക്ക്, കെമിസ്ട്രി 3 മാർക്ക്, ആർട്സ്, ലിറ്ററേച്ചർ, കൾച്ചർ ആൻഡ് സ്പോർട്സ് 5 മാർക്ക്, ബേസിക്സ് ഓഫ് കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ 3 മാർക്ക്, ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ് ആക്ട്സ് 5 മാർക്ക്, കറണ്ട് അഫയേഴ്സ് 15 മാർക്ക്, സിമ്പിൾ അരിത്തമെറ്റിക്, മെന്റൽ എബിലിറ്റി ആൻഡ് റീസണിംഗ് 10 മാർക്ക്, ജനറൽ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് 10 മാർക്ക്, റീജിയണൽ ലാംഗ്വേജ് മലയാളം, കന്നഡ, തമിഴ് 10 മാർക്ക്. ഡീറ്റെയിൽഡ് സിലബസ്. ജനറൽ നോളജ്. ഹിസ്റ്ററി 5 മാർക്ക്. കേരള അറൈവൽ ഓഫ് യൂറോപ്യൻസ്, കോൺട്രിബ്യൂഷൻസ് ഓഫ് യൂറോപ്യൻസ്, ഹിസ്റ്ററി ഓഫ് ട്രാവൻകൂർ ഫ്രം മാർത്താണ്ഡവർമ്മ ടു ശ്രീ ചിത്തിര തിരുനാൾ, സോഷ്യൽ ആൻഡ് റിലീജിയസ് റീഫോം മൂവ്മെന്റ്, നാഷണൽ മൂവ്മെന്റ് ഇൻ കേരള, ലിറ്റററി സോഴ്സസ് ഓഫ് കേരള ഹിസ്റ്ററി, യുണൈറ്റഡ് കേരള മൂവ്മെന്റ്, പൊളിറ്റിക്കൽ ആൻഡ് സോഷ്യൽ ഹിസ്റ്ററി ഓഫ് കേരള ആഫ്റ്റർ 1956, ഇന്ത്യ, political history, establishment of the British, first war of independence, formation of INC, Swadeshi movement, social reform movement, newspapers, literature and arts during the freedom struggle, independence movement and Mahatma Gandhi, India's independent, post-independent period, state reorganization, development in science, education and technology, foreign policy. World, Great Revolution in England, American War of Independence, French Revolution, Russian Revolution, Chinese Revolution, political history after Second World War, UNO and other international organizations. Geography 5 mark. Basics of geography, earth structure, atmosphere, rocks, landforms, pressure belt and winds, temperature and seasons, global issues, global warming, various forms of pollution, maps, topographic maps and science, remote sensing, geographic information system, oceans and its various movements, continents, nations and their specific features, India, physiography, states and its features, northern mountain region, rivers, northern Great Plain, peninsular plateau, coastal plain, climate, natural vegetation, agriculture, minerals and industries, energy sources, transport system, road, water, railways and air, Kerala, physiography, districts and its features, rivers, climate, natural vegetation, wildlife, agriculture and research centers, minerals and industries, energy sources, transport system, road, water, railway and air. Economics 5 mark. India, economy 5-year plans, new economic reforms, planning commission and Nidhi Aayog, financial institutions, agriculture, major crops, green revolution, minerals, direct and indirect taxes in India, GST in India, rationale and structure of GST, benefits of GST. Indian Constitution 5 mark. Constituent Assembly, Preamble, Citizenship, Fundamental Rights, Habeas Corpus, Mandamus, Prohibition, Certiorari and Qua Warranto, Directive Principles of State Policy, Fundamentals, Duties, Structure of Governments, Union, Executive, Parliament and Judiciary, State Executive, Legislature and Judiciary, Local self-government institution LSGIs, important constitutional amendments 42, 44, 52, 73, 74, 86, 91, 97, 101, 102, 103, 104. Constitutional authorities and their functions: Controller and Auditor General, Attorney General, Advocate General, Election Commission of India, State Election Commission, Union Public Service Commission, State Public Service Commission, Finance Commission, State Finance Commission, GST Council, distribution of legislative powers, Union list, State list, concurrent list, services under the Union and the States, tribunals, National Commission for Scheduled Castes, National Commission for Scheduled Tribes, National Commission for Backward Classes, official language, regional languages, languages of Supreme Court, High Court, etc., special derivatives relating to languages, Kerala governance and systems of administration, 10 mark, Kerala State Civil Service, quasi-judicial bodies, various commission, basic facts of socio-economic development, planning board, commercial planning and policies, disaster management, watershed management, employment and labor, national rural employment programs, land reforms, social welfare and security, protection of women, children and senior citizens, population, literacy, e-governance, delegated legislation and its controls, legislative and judicial controls, constitutional law remedies against administrative arbitrariness, administrative desertion and its controls, administrative adjudication, principles of natural justice, life science and public health, 6 mark, basic facts of human body, vitamins and minerals and their deficiency, diseases, communicable diseases and causative organism, preventive and remedial measures, Kerala welfare activities in health sector, lifestyle diseases, basic health facts, environment and environmental hazards, P6 3 mark, branches of physics, matter, units, measurements, physical quantities, motion, Newton's law of motion, third law, momentum, projectile motion, use of third law, achievements in space mission in India, ISRO, light lens mirrors, problem based on R is equal to 2F, difference phenomena of light, rainbow, colors of different materials, electromagnetic spectrum, IR rays, UV rays, X-rays, photoelectric effect, sound, different type of waves, velocity of sound in different media, resonance, reverberation, force, different types of forces, friction, advantages and disadvantages of friction, liquid pressure, buoyant force, Archimedes principles, Pascal's law, density, relative density, adhesive, cohesive forces, capillarity, viscous force, surface tension, gravitation, centripetal force, centrifugal force, escape velocity, satellite, escape velocity, weight mass, value of G, G in different places, heat, temperature, different types of thermometers, humidity, relative humidity, work, energy power, simple problems relating to work, energy power, levers, different types of levers. Chemistry 3 mark, atom, molecule, state of matter, allotropy, gas laws, acaricea. Elements, periodic table, metals and non-metals, chemical, physical changes, chemical reactions, solutions, mixes, compounds, metals, non-metals, alloys, acids, bases, pH value, alkaloid. Arts, sports, literature and culture, 5 mark. Arts, important audiovisual art forms of Kerala, famous places, institution, personalities, artists and writers related to origin, development, extension and practices of these art forms. Sports. Famous sports personalities of Kerala, India and world. Their sports events, achievements and awards, important awards, corresponding fields, winners, famous trophies, related events and sports items, number of players in important sport items, important terms associated with various sports and games, Olympics. Basic facts, venues, countries, famous performance and personalities, India in Olympics, Winter Olympics and Paralympics, Asian Games, Afro-Asian Games, Commonwealth Games, Safe Games, venues, countries, performance of India, other facts, national games, games, event, players, achievements, national sports, games, events of various countries, literature, Malayalam, important literacy movements, icons and their first works, main works of literature related to each movement and their authors, writers, pen name and nickname, famous works and characters, famous quotes, books and authors, beginning of journalism in Kerala, pioneers, journals and publications, famous awards, honors, writers and their works. Malayalam writers who won the Jnanapith Award and related facts, Malayalam cinema, origin, development, milestones, pioneers, national awards, culture. Kerala, important celebrations, places associated with such a celebration, important festivals. Kerala cultural centers, worship places, cultural leaders and their contribution. Basis of computer, 3 mark. Hardware, input devices, names and uses. Output devices, names and uses, features. Memory devices, primary and secondary, examples and features. Software, classification. System software and application software. Operating system, functions and examples. Popular. Application software packages, word processors, spreadsheets, database packages, presentation, image editors, use features, users features and fundamental concepts of each, basic of programming, type of instructions, input, output, store, control, transfer, languages need not be considered. Computer networks, types of networks, LAN, WAN, MAN. Features and application area, network devices, media, switch, hub, router, bridges, gateway, uses of each. Internet, services, www, email, search engines, examples and purpose, social media, examples and features, web designing, browser, HTML basics only, cyber wrongs, awareness level, types of cyber wrongs, awareness level, Information Technology Act 2000, awareness level, important acts, 5 mark, right to information, right to information acts 2005, information exempted, third party information, constitution of information commissions, powers and functions, right to public services, the Kerala State Right to Service Act 2012, protection of consumers, Consumer Protection Act 2019, rights of consumers, protection of vulnerable sections, protection of civil rights acts 1955, C and ST, prevention of Atrocities Act 1989, the Kerala State Commission for the Scheduled Castes and the Scheduled Tribes Act 2007, Kerala State SC/ST Commission, Protection of Human Rights Acts 1993, National Human Rights Commission and State Human Rights Commission, Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizen Act 2007, the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Acts 2016, the Transgender Persons Protection of Rights Act 2019, Protection and Safeguarding of Women, Offences against Women, Offences affecting public decency and morality, Dowry Prohibition Act 1961, National Commission for Women Act 1990, Kerala Women's Commission Act 1991, National and State Commission for Women, Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005, the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act 2013, Protection and Safeguarding of Children, Offences against Children, Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012, POCSO, Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Act of 2015, Prevention of Corruption and Maladministration, the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988, the Central Vigilance Commission Act 2003, the Lokpal and Log Ayuktas Act 2013, the Kerala Log Ayukta Act 1999, Public Servant Definition, Offences by Against Public Servants, the Administrative Tribunal Act 1985, Central Administrative Tribunal, Kerala Administrative Tribunal, Composition Powers, Current Affairs 15 mark, Simple Arithmetic, Mental Ability and Reasoning, Simple Arithmetic 5 mark, Numbers and Basic Operations, Fraction and Decimal Numbers, Percentage, Profit and Loss, Simple and Compound Interest, Ratio and Proportion, Time and Distance, Time and Work, Average, Laws of Exponents, Mensuration, Progression, Mental Ability and Reasoning 5 mark, Series, Problems on Mathematical Science, Verifying Positions, Analogy, Word Analogy, Alphabet Analogy, Number Analogy, Odd Man Out, Numerical Ability, Coding and Decoding, Family Relations, Sense of Direction, Time and Angles, Time in a Clock and its Reflection, Date and Calendar, Clerical Ability, General English, English Grammar 5 mark, Types of Sentences and Interchange of Sentences, Different Parts of Speech, Agreement of Subject and Verb, Articles, Definite and indefinite articles, uses of primary and modal auxiliary verbs, question tags, infinitive and grounds, tenses, tenses in conditional sentences, prepositions, the use of correlative, direct and indirect speech, active and passive voice, correction of sentences, degree of comparison, vocabulary. 5 marks, singular, plural, change of gender, collective nouns, word formation from other words and use of prefix or suffix, compound words, synonyms, antonyms, phrasal verbs, foreign words and phrases, one word substitutes. Words often confused, spelling test, idioms and their meaning, expansion and meaning of common abbreviations, regional language 10 mark, Malayalam, Padashuddhi, Vakyashuddhi, Paribhasha, Ottapadam, Paryayam, Viparita Padam, Shailigal, Paranjollugal, Samana Padam, Chertheluthuka, സ്ത്രീലിംഗം, പുല്ലിംഗം, വചനം, പിരിച്ചെഴുതൽ, ഘടകപദം, വാക്യം ചേർത്തെഴുതുക. കന്നഡ. വേർഡ് പ്യൂരിറ്റി, കറക്റ്റ് വേർഡ്, കറക്റ്റ് സെന്റൻസസ്, ട്രാൻസ്ലേഷൻ, വൺ വേർഡ്, സിംഗിൾ വേർഡ്, വൺ വേർഡ് സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഷൻ, സിനോണിംസ്, antonyms, idioms and proverbs, equivalent word, join the word, feminine gender, masculine gender, number, sort and right. Tamil. Correct word, correct structure of sentence, translation, single word, synonyms, antonyms, opposite, phrases and proverbs, equal word, join the word, gender classification, feminine, masculine, singular, plural, separate, adding phrases. Notes. It may be noted that apart from the topical detailed above, questions from other topics prescribed for the educational qualification of the post may also appear in the question paper. There is no undertaking that all the topics above may be covered in the question paper. Kerala Water Authority-യുടെ LD ക്ലർക്ക് തസ്തികയിലേക്കുള്ള അപേക്ഷയുടെ സിലബസ് ആണ് ഇവിടെ വിവരിച്ചത്. LD ക്ലർക്ക്, KWA, കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ പ്രോഗ്രാമർ കം ഓപ്പറേറ്റർ, ടൈം കീപ്പർ, സെക്യൂരിറ്റി ഓഫീസർ തസ്തികയുടെ സിലബസ് മാർക്കും ആണ് ഇവിടെ വിവരിച്ചത്. ചാനൽ തുടർന്നും ലഭിക്കുവാൻ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവരുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോ ഇവിടെ അവസാനിക്കുന്നു. എല്ലാവർക്കും